2027 Land Rover Defender 110 V8 is here, and it continues to prove why the Defender remains one of the most iconic luxury off-road SUVs in the world. Combining rugged capability with premium comfort and serious V8 power, this latest version takes everything enthusiasts love about the Defender and elevates it to a whole new level. At first glance, the Defender 110 V8 maintains its unmistakable boxy silhouette, but several subtle updates help it feel more modern and aggressive than ever before. The front fascia features redesigned LED headlights with a sharper lighting signature, while the updated grille and bumper design give the SUV a more commanding presence. New wheel options ranging from 20 to 22 inches add a more premium appearance, and exclusive V8 badging reminds everyone that this isn't your average Defender. Despite its luxury status, the Defender still looks ready to tackle any terrain, from rocky mountain trails to urban city streets. Moving around the vehicle, you'll notice Land Rover has carefully balanced sophistication with durability. The high ground clearance, short overhangs, and muscular stance emphasize its off-road heritage, while new paint options and trim packages provide more customization than ever before. Whether parked outside a luxury hotel or climbing through muddy back roads, the Defender looks perfectly at home. Step inside, and the 2027 Defender 110 V8 offers an impressive blend of technology, comfort, and practicality. Premium leather upholstery, soft touch materials, and refined finishes create an upscale environment that rivals many luxury SUVs. The cabin feels spacious and airy, with excellent visibility thanks to the upright design and large windows. At the center of the dashboard is Land Rover's latest infotainment system, displayed through a large high-resolution touchscreen. The system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, while faster processing speeds make navigation and connectivity smoother than ever. A fully digital instrument cluster provides customizable information, and available features include a premium Meridian sound system, heated and ventilated seats, a panoramic sunroof, and advanced driver assistance technologies. Passengers in both rows enjoy generous legroom and comfort, making long road trips a pleasure. The Defender's cargo area remains highly practical, offering plenty of storage space for luggage, camping equipment, or outdoor adventure gear. This combination of luxury and utility continues to be one of the Defender's greatest strengths. Of course, the real star of the show is what sits under the hood. The 2027 Defender 110 V8 is expected to feature a powerful supercharged 5.0-liter V8 engine producing well over 500 horsepower. Acceleration is remarkably quick for a vehicle of this size, with a 0 to 60 mph time that can rival some performance SUVs. The deep exhaust note delivers a thrilling soundtrack that perfectly matches the vehicle's aggressive personality. Power is sent through an advanced all-wheel drive system paired with an intelligent terrain management system. Whether driving through snow, sand, mud, or rocky trails, the Defender remains one of the most capable off-road vehicles available today. Adaptive air suspension enhances both ride comfort and off-road performance, allowing the SUV to adjust its height depending on driving conditions. Despite its incredible capability, the Defender also feels refined on the highway. Steering is precise, ride quality is smooth, and cabin insulation keeps road noise to a minimum. It's a vehicle that can comfortably handle daily commuting while remaining ready for serious adventure at a moment's notice. As for pricing, the 2027 Land Rover Defender 110 V8 is expected to start around $120,000 in the United States, with fully loaded models pushing significantly higher depending on options and customization. While it's certainly a premium investment, buyers receive a unique combination of luxury, performance, technology, and legendary off-road capability. The 2027 Land Rover Defender 110 V8 continues to stand in a class of its own. It's powerful, stylish, luxurious, and incredibly capable. For drivers seeking an SUV that can conquer the wilderness without sacrificing comfort or prestige, the Defender 110 V8 remains one of the most compelling choices on the market today.